Want to study languages but can never find the time? Can't attend online classes because of the time zones? Struggle to adhere to fixed schedules? Then Flexi Classes is a solution for you. Flexi Classes has changed the way you can learn languages. Enjoy 24/7 language learning whenever you want, wherever you want, with native speaking teachers in small groups of 2 or 3 students. You can choose the time and the topic for every single class you take. Study as much or as little as you want and get a graduation certificate upon completion of each level. We offer a total of over 500 lessons every single day in Mandarin, Japanese, Korean and many more. The cost is also incredibly cheap, with a class never costing more than around $10 US. All class content can be downloaded before the lesson begins, so you can review the materials before starting the class. Flexi classes are 100% live. Nothing is pre-recorded and all teachers are fully qualified. Come and join the fun and get fluent fast with Flexi Classes.